Pretty sure you're hung up in the rock already.
Caught a bunch of small black sea bass. And me, you, and Dad fished the outside, caught a bunch of small ones.
You caught a sheep's head that day too. Yep, something's fucking with it.
Probably swallowed the hell out of the hook. How big they gotta be?
Way bigger than that, no. Well, there's the first catch of the day. Oh.
Yay! Look, guys, got a fish.
That's probably all you'll catch up there with shrimp too.
These things aren't very big. Fuck you up.
You're not going to catch a keeper inshore here. They have spines on them, but they're not going to. They don't have poison on them or anything. Or venom, whatever you want to call it. There you go. There we go. We got something. Hope it's not a dogfish. At least he's bigger.
Mullet, and shrimp.
Someone's fucking with mine. God damn it.
Oh, God. Give me the rod.
I got something good now. Move this rod. Move this rod.
That's where I was staying there.
It can go right there. God. It's probably a shark.
Let me get this thing out of the water.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. Loosen that drag a little bit if you can. Think you need the net?
No. Oh, you should have took it.
Well, if they're here, so. Hopefully it's a big redfish.
You ain't got to worry about getting stuck in anchor line no more.
Yeah, that is true. Could be a big old red. So it looks like you got him off the bottom already. If it was a big stingray, you wouldn't have.
As soon as well, don't know what it is because he nibbled on it. He didn't take it.
Might be a black drum. Black drum
What
bites
kind
are
of
pretty
jelly- is
soft.
that a deadly jellyfish?
I don't know.
That one- Oh, he's coming up. He's coming up high. He's at the top of the water. You see that? Oh, fuck. Now he's running to the boat. I need you to turn the motor up. Oh, I saw the jellyfish. I thought the jellyfish wasn't. Oh, it's a shark.
Oh, it is.
Fucking shark.
That's better than nothing. You like catching sharks?
I'm gonna put that bitch in a live well. I thought it was a shark. Look, tan. You know anything else? Yeah. Fucking bobcat. You hold her off.
Let go.
Beautiful. Oops. Aren't you supposed to get them as soon as you catch them?
I don't know.
I don't know if I want to keep them or not. I kind of want to because I told a guy I'd give him the shark to catch them.
Hold it up.
Alright. How should I keep it?
Just put them in the live well, I guess.
Can you put Matthew? Sit. He's gone.
Okay. There's got to be a shitload of sharks here. Yeah, this ain't that big. What the hell? That thing.
Throw that bitch in the live well too. Damn, I should have kept that.
That's a croaker.
Oh, fuck.
No, that's a fat whiting.
Fucking A. I should have kept him. I thought you had one.
Oh, why'd you throw him back?
Because I thought you had one. And I didn't want to hold on to him. He was trying to bite me.
That's why you put him in the live well.
I think
This
we're
thing-
supposed to gut him and put him on ice.
I had a mullet on.
Throw his ass in the live well too.
This thing's, I'm pretty sure. I think this is a croaker, not a.
That's a group. I heard it too.
There we go. Sean's got something nice.
I'm real this route in.
All right. Which way is it going? Yeah, that's a nice red. You want me to- Oh, that is a trout. That's a good trout. On shrimp. You want the net or are you going to flip them?
I ain't on shrimp. This one look.
Oh. Do you want the net? That's a good trout right there.
Make fish tacos.
Yeah. I need to clean those other fish too. Give me a reason to do it. Dang, that's a nice trout, dude. Measure his ass. That's like a 20-something inch trout. Dang, son. So there are trout here. Maybe I should be throwing that lure back there.
Quit.
Measure him, see how long he is.
Don't worry about it. As long as you get home.
That's a good trout.